The Realme 9 Pro series is coming to India on February 10, and we will see a regular Pro and Pro Plus variants. Rumors suggested the Pro Plus will come with a Dimensity 920 chipset with 5G capabilities, and today a Geekbench scorecard confirms this. Realme 9 Pro Plus smartphone has been spotted on Geekbench with 818 points in single-core testing. The handset scored 2,324 points in multi-core testing. The device carries a model number RMX3393, will have 8GB RAM in at least one of its versions option, and will ship with Android 12 out of the box. Reports suggest the chipset will be powering a 6.43 inches AMOLED screen with a 4,500 mAh battery and 65W fast charging. We expect a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor by Sony with optical image stabilization. The Realme 9 Pro Plus will be the mightiest of 4 devices in the Realme 9 family: a Realme 9i, 2 Pro variants, and a vanilla version. Like this video and hit that free subscribe button below to get more videos.